Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Candy Crush game. To begin, your main goal is to match 3 or more candies of the same color, which clears them from the board. You'll also learn to create special candies by matching 4 or 5 candies in specific patterns. These special candies are key to achieving various level objectives, such as clearing all the jelly or collecting specific ingredients. It's a fun and engaging puzzle experience that requires both strategy and a bit of luck. Let's dive into special candies and their powerful combinations. Matching 4 candies in a row creates a striped candy, which clears an entire row or column. If you match 5 candies in an L or T shape, you'll get a wrapped candy that explodes a 3x3 area. The most powerful is the color bomb, made by matching 5 candies in a straight line, clearing all candies of a chosen color. Combining these special candies creates even more spectacular and effective board clearing effects. Every level in Candy Crush presents unique objectives. You might need to clear all the jelly squares by making matches on top of them, or bring down ingredients like cherries and hazelnuts to the bottom of the board. Some levels require you to remove blockers, such as chocolate or licorice, to expand your playing area. Always understand your current level's goal before making your first move, and plan your strategy carefully to maximize your candy clearing and achieve success within the given moves. To truly master Candy Crush, here are some top tips. Focus on making matches at the bottom of the board. This often creates cascades, leading to more spontaneous matches. Always prioritize creating special candies, especially those powerful color bombs. Save your most potent combinations for difficult-to-reach areas or when you need to clear a large section quickly. Remember, understanding the specific goal of each level is paramount before you even make your first move, ensuring efficient gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.